Here at Evoke, we always love giving back to dedicated builders who put so much effort into their build. And for Adam Bezanson, he had poured a ton of work into this beautiful RV-10 by the time he brought it to us last November. That's why we knew we had to bring it home with some beautiful finishing touches and a gorgeous paint job. Adam initially came to us all the way back in 2020, early in the build, looking for a design inspired by a few of his favorite RV-10s, and we knew we had to kick it up a notch with the Evoke scheme team drafting this beautiful blue and silver design. The finished product turned out absolutely breathtaking, with a beautiful deep blue base featuring black, silver, and white stripes flowing across the fuselage, bringing out a sophisticated but sleek side of this beautiful aircraft. It gives it a timeless look that truly takes your breath away when you see it in the sun. You see, this show-stopping plane is an absolute beauty that's destined to grab attention on any runway it lands on. We were honored to finally bring Adam's RV-10 dreams to life, and we'd be even more honored if you'd like this video. Leave a comment down below, and of course, make sure to subscribe. That way you get notified the next time a gorgeous plane like this rolls out of the shop. See y'all then.